The definition of perfect is having all the required or desirable elements, qualities, or characteristics as good as it possibly to be. I believe the perfect margarita only has 3 ingredients. My name is Carl, and welcome to Alchemix, where I'll teach you how to create craft cocktails and improve your home bartending skills. Is the title of the perfect margarita a little clickbait-y? Perhaps, because does anyone really know what the perfect margarita is? Everyone has their own definition, so let's just say that this is Alchemix's idea of what the perfect margarita is. I've enjoyed a fair few margaritas in my time in a variety of establishments, from hole-in-the-wall bars to high-end taco restaurants. The flavors of this quintessential taco companion vary about as much as the tacos themselves. Would you believe that this cocktail was different just 1 week before this video was filmed? I had a recipe that I wholeheartedly believed was perfect using Casamigos tequila. Boy, was I wrong, but thankfully I was. Sometimes in life, you get happy little accidents, like when you aren't paying attention and pick up a different brand of tequila when you're in the liquor store. What I thought was the right choice wasn't, but it was the People's Choice tequila. Yes, Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson's. I knew he had a tequila, but had no idea what it was. Rather than going out to purchase the correct bottle, I decided to make myself a margarita. Might as well, right? If I wasn't happy with the drink I made, you would be seeing a completely different video because I would have gone back and bought that bottle of Casamigos. Now, obviously, I didn't do that. What I thought was the perfect margarita got more perfect just using 3 ingredients: tequila, fresh lime juice, and agave nectar. You might be asking, what about the triple sec? I don't think you necessarily have to have an orange liqueur to have a great margarita, and I don't use it in this recipe. But depending on the tequila I use or the preferences of who I'm preparing this cocktail for, sometimes I'll add triple sec or Contro. The flavors of Alchemix's perfect margarita blend perfectly together without the orange liqueur. The combination of organic agave nectar and fresh lime juice bring out the citrus notes of the Terramana tequila. This is a cocktail that just needs to be tasted. The best thing about the classic cocktail is the ability to experiment with the recipe. It is fun to try new flavors and combinations. So the perfect margarita recipe may change next year, but for now, this happy little accident is one of the best I've tasted. Watch out for the soon-to-come tasting room video where we taste and review Terramana tequila and compare it to other popular tequila brands. Thanks for watching our recipe, the perfect margarita. We'd appreciate a like and subscribe to Alchemix and come back every Tuesday for a new video. You can find more about each recipe on our website, alchemix.bar. The world is your martini glass. You can fill it with whatever you want as long as it's delicious.